How to use password app in iPhone iOS 18.5. Let's get started. Starting with iOS 18 and later, this app is like a one-stop shop for managing your passwords. So let me show you how to get the most out of it. First, launch your Passwords app. You'll need to use your Face ID. This app is built to help you manage all your credentials in one place. When you open the app, you'll see an option for all. Tap on it, and it will show you all your stored passwords. This includes things like your Wi Fi passwords, passkeys, and even two factor authentication codes. Want to add a new password? Easy. Click on the plus option. Now go ahead and fill out these. First, type in the website or label, then type in the username, password, and also you can add notes. This is for the extra details for your account. When you are ready, just hit save and your password is stored. All your saved passwords now live in the All section where you can tap on any account you need. If you want to see the password, just tap and it will reveal it. Likewise, for the passkeys, you can head over to the passkeys section. For the codes, you can click on the code section. For the Wi-Fi passwords, you can click on the Wi-Fi option. In the security section, you're going to find the list of the website where you'll need to reset your password. And under deleted, you're going to find the list of the deleted websites. So this is how you can easily use Passwords app on your iOS. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.